Hey friends, if the Windows key is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So I would say try pressing Windows plus R once. Windows plus R to open the run window. Why? This will isolate whether the Windows key is not working to open the start menu only, or is it not working at all. Now, if it is not working for the start menu, just restart your computer. But if it's not working at all, then you will have to search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for keyboards and update the keyboard drivers. This is assuming that other keys are working, because if that was the case, if the case was that filter keys or sticky keys or any other keys were problematic, then it wouldn't only be with Windows keys. Okay. Now the next solution will be, other than what do we say, the device manager solution, and checking this part, the other solution will be an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.